Good day, my name is Lockhart. I am the Supervisor and Line Coordinator of the LCS Ropeway Crew. I've been on this project for 3 years. What I enjoy most on this project is the movement in the work. Some of us don't like offices. We like to move around, have the body active for the whole day. Working here has taught me a lot. I went from concrete work, painting, plastering, and I ended up with the most experience here on the line with tow operations, tow maintenance, system maintenance, and of course rigging, splicing of rope, and the rope pulling. And the impact it made on my life, it's a foundation for a young person like me. Working here, learning to deal with people, understanding people, understanding the work, understanding what it takes to build something, especially something that's going to impact the country a lot. To the future visitors coming into the island and to the local people, what we are building is history in the making, and I would like for everyone to see it, not only for the scenic views of the valley, the falls and the boiling lake, but to witness the hard work we have put into this project.